today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I decorated my dining room table for the fall time. And stay tuned to the end of this video because I will also be sharing with you guys a giveaway that I have for you guys to enter.
All those days trying to find a place where you make them just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel, I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, so I'm able to bring more videos for you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video so I can share with you guys how I decorated my dining room table for the fall time. So to start with my table, I'm going to start decorating the centerpiece. And what I use to be the centerpiece of my dining room table is these Glam pumpkins that I made that I shared with you guys last year in a video on how I made them. I've used these for years and years and years and years, and I basically updated them last year to make them kind of a white and blingy. Next, I'm going to be taking these plastic wine glasses that you can find in the wedding section at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to flip them over and use them as candlestick holders because I just love using wine glasses as candlestick holders because it gives it a little bit more glam look. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these LED lights that LED candles that I shared with you guys in my last Dollar Tree haul, these tall ones that they now have at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to wrap them with these fall kind of ribbon mesh that I found at Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I wrap them, I will share this video down below of how I wrapped them last year. I shared the video on how I kind of put this little wrap mesh over the candles that I used last year. It's really easy, but I'll put the video down below. Now I'm going to add some of these orange pumpkins, and I can't remember where I got these from because I've had them for years and years, probably at Walmart, but they're really inexpensive and you can find some like this at Dollar Tree. And then I always like to add a little greenery to my decor pieces. I just love bringing that farmhouse feel into my decor pieces all year round, and I feel like greenery, you can use it in the spring, you can use it in the fall, you can use it in the summer, you can use it all the time, especially when you're doing farmhouse style. And these leaves, I believe they're eucalyptus leaves. Don't quote me on it. I don't know exactly. I don't have the tag in front of me, but I got them at Walmart, and I believe they were either $1 or $2. They might be $2 because it was a bigger bunch. I don't pay no more than $2 for some florals at Walmart, so I believe these were $2. But I just take them apart and add them sporadically around the arrangement just to add a little bit of greenery to my tablescape, so I have that orange, white, and green farmhouse glam look. And this is how the center of my table turned out, and I just love the way that it looks. I always say that my house is decorated kind of like in a farmhouse glam because I love the glam look, but I'm in love with the farmhouse style. So I like to mesh the two styles together, and this centerpiece represents my style perfectly. I love the way the white and the bling and the orange and green go together, and it definitely represents my style for fall. So I love how all this came together. So now let's move on to the plates and napkins of my tablescape. So the first thing I'm going to do for the plates is I'm going to add this silver charger that I got at Dollar Tree, and they come in so many colors. They come in gold, white, and a bunch of different designs, but I like the silver. And then I'm going to add a blue plate on top of it, which I also found at Dollar Tree because I love adding the touches of blue to my home because that is my favorite color. And then this first idea that I'm going to share with you guys is kind of more of a farmhouse style idea. I made these pumpkin napkin rings, and I used this fleece blanket from Dollar Tree as well to make the napkins, and this is more of a farmhouse style look, and I'm going to share with you guys how I made it. So to make the pumpkin rings, I took this silver napkin ring that you can get 6 for $1 at Dollar Tree in the wedding section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these white clippable pumpkins that I got for you guys that I also used in my video where I share with you guys my wreath, my farmhouse style wreath. So if you're using these clippable pumpkins, you can easily just clip them on to the napkin rings. If you don't want to permanently make them into pumpkin rings, you can just clip them on. But I don't like the look of how the clip was still sticking out, so what I'm doing is I'm taking the clips off of these and I'm going to cut the stem and just hot glue it onto the napkin ring, because I know for sure I want to keep these as pumpkin napkin rings for, you know, forever. But again, if you just want to be able to reuse these napkin rings, which you can, and reuse it for different holidays and different things, then I would suggest just using the clip, just clipping it on. But I just didn't like how the clip looked. It was kind of sticking out on the side, so I didn't like the look of it. So that's why I decided to glue mine down. And yeah, so that's how I did mine. And then for the napkin, what I just did was I took the leftover fabric that I had from this fleece blanket that you can find in the baby section at Dollar Tree. You guys have seen me haul this. And you guys seen that I made pillows out of it in my other video that I posted, where I made some fall style pillows with these, with this fleece blanket. So I had some leftover fabric when I made a bigger one, and so I'm using those to make the napkins for these pumpkin rings so that they can match with the pillows that are in my living room, because my living room is by my dining room, is kind of like an open area, so the pillows can match with the napkin rings. And so I'm just using this this napkin, these white napkins that I got from Walmart, kind of as a guide to cut a square shape. And then I'm just taking my fabric scissors and making sure that I cut off any jagged edges and kind of like cutting it, going with the pattern, looking at the pattern and making sure that I'm cutting at the actual pattern so that it's like a perfect square. I didn't want any, you know, weird edges, because even though you're going to scrunch this and put it as a napkin, I didn't want any, ugly edges. So that's what I'm doing. And just like I told you guys with the pillows, make sure when you're cutting fabric that you get fabric scissors, because they cut better, and they make your fabric, whatever you're doing, nicer. And if you use regular scissors, they're just going to pull and jag, and rip at your fabric and make it look not nice. So I would always say get fabric scissors, and I got these at Walmart a while back and they've lasted me a long time. So now I'm just taking the napkin ring, and I'm taking the piece that I cut, and I'm just scrunching it up and putting it into the napkin ring, and then I'm just going to shape it into that designer shape that you guys always see in napkin ring holders, and just kind of making it to look nice. And that's it. That's how I made this one. This next option is more of a glammed look, and I wanted to give you guys two options, kind of more of a farmhouse style option and a glam look. And also sometimes those pumpkins are hard to find, so I'm going to be using this little napkin ring that I got from Totally Dazzled. And at the end of this video, stay tuned, because I will have a giveaway from them that you guys can enter to win, so stay tuned. So they partnered up with me and told me to pick something from their website to use in a video, and I definitely wanted to use some type of fall napkin ring to share with you guys as a tablescape. So I picked this silver leaf napkin ring that looks so glam and so beautiful, and this napkin ring, guys, only cost $1.60. So I was amazed, because this definitely stayed around my dollar price range, because you guys know I love Dollar Tree. So the fact that it was affordable and beautiful, I loved it. So with this one, I'm just going to use those white napkin rings that you saw, those white napkins that you saw me use, kind of like a template guide to make my other napkin rings. And I got these from Walmart. I believe they were 2 for $1 or 4 for $1, but they were very affordable. But I like the white, how it looks against the silver, and with the blue plates, it just looked so nice to me. So this can be an option for you guys if you guys can't find those pumpkins at Dollar Tree because they go fast, or if you want a little bit more of a glam look, definitely check out Totally Dazzled on their website. They have so many different options for napkin rings that are beautiful. They come around $1 that you can purchase, and I love the way that this looks, especially against the blinged out pumpkins. So that is how I'm decorating my dining room table for the fall time. Now let's talk about the giveaway. So I partnered up with Natalie from Totally Dazzled, and not only did she provide me with the beautiful napkin rings that I share with you guys in this video, and I mean, guys, these napkin rings are gorgeous. And for $1.60, oh my God, you can't beat this price. For $1.60, you will never find anything like this anywhere else for $1.60. It's gorgeous, and they have so many other things on their website. Let me share with you a little bit of what you will see on their website right now. So here's the website right here, and I'm sharing with you guys the website on my phone to kind of share with you guys how it looks and the stuff that you can get from here. So they have a gold collection that you can pick from if you're into the gold. They also have the silver collection, which is the one that I picked because I love the silver tones. But they also have a rose gold collection as well, which is so gorgeous. And I can't wait to make things with that one as well. So it depends on what you want. They have all the types of styles that you would like. They also, you can shop by types of things that you want. So they sell brooches on here. So you can look into that. If you want napkin rings, that they do napkin rings on here as well. So you can shop by style, or you can shop by the actual type of thing that you want. They also have kind of like the buckle collection. So you could do so many different DIYs with this as well. A lot of wedding things, a lot of party things. The one thing they have on here that I thought was so amazing was the bling wrap collection. Now you can get this at Dollar Tree as well, but they don't have this thickness and this size at Dollar Tree. So if you're ever doing big DIYs where you need a lot of bling wrap, this is the perfect place to shop for bling wrap, and you can get it all types of finishes as well. So I think this is your best bet if you're ever doing a big project blinged out. You can also get table number holders as well on here. I mean, they have so many different mix packs collections here as well. I mean, there's so many things that you can shop for here. And they also have like the flat back collection where it doesn't have the pins that the brooches come with. So depending on what DIYs you're doing, you can get the stuff with the flat back, or if you need the ones with the pin that the brooch provides. But there's so many different finishes you can do, so many different types of things that you can get on this web page, and the price points are amazing. So as you can see, they got so many beautiful things on their website, and they come in so many different finishes to fit any style that you like, whether you're into gold, silver, or that rose gold, which is so gorgeous. And stay tuned, I am going to be picking out some things in their rose gold collection and be bringing you guys some glam DIY with that rose gold, and it's going to be affordable DIYs because you know everything I do on my channel is affordable, and that's why I love this website, and that's why I partnered with them, because a lot of their stuff on that webpage is affordable. Like to buy glam stuff, it can be expensive, but their price point is amazing, especially with these napkin rings. Like I said, they're only $1.60 for the napkin rings. So let's talk about how to enter the giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already. You also have to follow me on Instagram, and then you also have to follow Natalie from Totally Dazzled on Instagram as well. And I'll put her link, I'll put the link down below to her Instagram page and my Instagram page as well. And then also there will be a link in the description box to the Gleam website where I have set up this giveaway. So you have to click on there, it will take you to the Gleam website, and they'll let you know how to submit your entry so that you can be entered in this giveaway. And then the giveaway is until Friday, October 18th, which is my anniversary. I'll be married 16 years. So Friday, October 16th at midnight will be the last time that you can enter this giveaway. And then we will announce the winners within like 24 hours. And then once the winners are announced, I will send them the information, and they will send that person the $25 gift card in an email to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and good luck on entering the giveaway and getting the gift card. I think this is an amazing gift card to be able to spend $25 on their website. And again, because it's so affordable, you can get so much for $25. So good luck, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.